Hi, welcome to the Paige family homestead. My name is Cut. Okay.
She doesn't know who we are, folks.
Just start over again.
Okay.
Hi. Welcome to the Paige family homestead. My name is Peggy-Jean, and behind the camera is the infamous Mr. Andy.
The ring.
So, one of the easiest dehydrating projects you could hope for. Is it for human consumption? No, but it could be. Oh, you smell it, don't you? You know it's coming for you. So what we're doing, I goofed up. I thought I pulled our chicken breast from the freezer, and I pulled the chicken breast that I've already cut so that for a different project, but it's already thawed and I'm not going to scrap it into something else. So this was going to be a quick chicken stew, but it's now going to be dog treats, organic dog treats. No additives, no chemicals, no food coloring red number 40. Red number 40 is horrible for your children, but it's also horrible for your four-legged fur baby children. You don't want them to have it. If you see a red hint of anything in your dog's snacks, get rid of it. Don't give it to them, please. So typically what we would do is you take a half-thawed chicken breast or turkey breast, and you make sure that you trim the fat off. I've got some fat here. I can see I'm going to be trimming. When you're dehydrating, fat is your enemy. It doesn't dehydrate. It will go rancid and it will cause your food to spoil. So we do not want it on there. Now I'm looking at these, and most of them are already cut to the proper size, which is why we like to use partially frozen. I can't. I will do a video discussing the ailment, but I do suffer from Raynaud's, and I can't handle frozen. Even cold foods are going to bother me. My hands are super clean. I even did under my nails. It's for the dogs, but they're my babies too, right? And I don't want to introduce bacteria. Everything is sanitized. We're dealing with raw food, guys.
That's you. Sorry.
So, my knife, see, this is pretty much the way I have the thickness I want. What would you say that was?
I'd say about a quarter.
A quarter. Maybe a little bit less. I don't know. I wish I would have pulled the right pieces to show you guys. It would have been nicer. I have the paper towel here to ungum my fingers, because you know what working with raw chickens feel like. So there's some fat. We'll take that off. I'm going to be saving as much of this as I can with as little waste as possible, because with the price of food these days, especially meat, I want to make sure we're getting everything that we can. Now my dogs are small. Suki Wookie was just weighed the other day, and she was what, 11 pounds?
11 pounds.
And baby Dee Dee is smaller than her.
Yeah.
So they don't need big pieces. Please make yours according to the size of your dog. These are a treat, not a meal. It's a reward, okay? Our babies are spoiled. They tell us when they want a treat. They literally go to the cabinet that has the treats in them, and they'll start acting up, or they'll start growling at us if we're on the couch and they figure, hey, it's time. But I like to give them stuff like this. This can be kept once you're making chicken jerky. We're not putting anything on it. No salts, no sugars. Salt is bad for everything and everybody, and dogs don't need sugar. So why put it on? The meat alone is going to taste so good for them. Now see, I'm taking it pretty close, but there we go. I do want it a little thinner. Typically, if you dehydrate them when they're partially frozen,
It'll be good.
I don't understand why, but they do dehydrate quicker. So keep that in mind too. Like, you know, when you get, they're thawed, but you just have those little ice crystals in it. It does help to defrost, it helps to dehydrate a little bit quicker. So I'm just going to run this under. I think my knife sharpener should be fired.
Why? I haven't sharpened it.
What?
I haven't sharpened it.
I know.
Yeah. You need to sharpen your knife.
Yeah. So you get the idea. How hard is it? You see what I'm doing? This is it. This is all there is to it. Now it's meat. Just like your jerky, when you do beef jerky,
Yep.
you want the temperature to be at about 160 to kill off the bacterias, right? I mean, play safe. Getting that fat off. There's a piece of fat there. And here. What will we do with these chicken fats?
Give it to the chickens.
I was just going to say.
Let them put it on themselves. Put it back to where it once became.
From whence it once came? I don't know.
Are you correcting me in the way I'm spitting?
No, I'm trying to
Specking?
do it Old English or however it came. Figure it out in the comments for us, guys. I know we're saying it. From whence it came?
From whence it came.
Yeah.
Where the heck it came from, I don't
Yeah.
know.
Back where it come from. See, some of these are just minus the fat. They're cut already for...
Yeah, they look like they're all ready to go.
Yeah. Would have been more impressive video had I had the chicken breast here. But you get the idea, right? You're cutting it to these sizes that we're putting on here now. And at 160... Last time we made them, I can't remember. I'm going to let you know at the end how long it took. Because I have never done it in the Cabela. And I know it's quicker than the Nesco. So I would be given the wrong time anyway.
But at the end of this video, you will know the right time.
Yes, you will. Now these can be stored in as I said, in an airtight container on the counter. Unless you've got a really, really, really hot house, then just put them in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. Put them in an airtight container on the counter or in the cupboard or in a baggie, a Ziploc baggie, and they can be in your cupboard. They're probably good for... I've heard people say, oh, they're good for a year. Well, first off, they're not going to last that long. And secondly, I don't know that I would put a raw meat product with no curing salts or anything like that on. I don't know that I would leave it out for a year. So if you're thinking of doing it for human consumption, please do some checking and check for yourself. Yeah, you may need to add some curing salts and stuff. But for dogs, no way.
No.
No, it's not good for them, number one. And it's not necessary. These will be good for sure for 3 months on the counter. And like I said, they're not going to last that long. They're not. I don't feel safe cutting it thinner than this.
No, I wouldn't.
So
I wouldn't.
it's the right thickness. I just like paper thin when I can.
Yeah. Well, you can't.
Don't tell me that.
I just did.
I
Pay
will.
attention.
I won't do it. So, I'll get back to you as soon as I got these all on the tray. Alright, I'm really sorry guys. I reviewed the video and Andy didn't get any video of me cutting on the cutting board. So, this is the thickness right here that you're looking for from the breast. And then this is what we're getting rid of. See the fat there? We don't want the fat at all. Won't do to have the fat on there. And it just takes a little time to get it off, right? So you didn't miss a lot, but I know how frustrating it is not to see what the hands are doing, and I apologize for that.
My bad.
Yeah, it was a busy day. We're tired. So, now you know. Piece of cake. So, you're going to get a full breast. It's going to be half frozen. And you're just going to hold it like this. This one's a little thicker. Maybe I could show you. And again, my knife is not sharp. So, you hold it flat and just wiggle your sharp knife across and it will thin it. This one's already thin. I just wanted to show you because I don't have a breast here. I've already cut my breasts up for a different project and pulled the wrong meat, remember? Pulled a Peggy. So I'm going to throw these in the dehydrator with the rest of them.
And the dogs will have nummies.
Oh yeah.
More nummies.
And we'll bring you back tomorrow when we pull them out of the dehydrator. Okay, so I didn't double my silicone pads on the trays. I just left them single. I want them to have lots of space, lots of air. I've got 2 trays in the dehydrator, and this will be my 3rd. They're just little dogs. They're going to think this is going to last them a while. These ones here I'm going to break up a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe even this I'll cut in half. It's just a little treat, right?
I like the way you did it, exactly how I told you to.
Yeah, I do that all the time. You're a great teacher, Andy. We're doing this. We are hosting a really popular playlist. It's turning out wonderfully. We're so proud of it. It's a collection of dehydrated videos from many, many channels, many different creators, and it's called hashtag Let's Dehydrate. It's an open collaboration. Anybody can join. If you have a dehydrating tip or how-to or let's try, do it. All you need to do in the video description is make sure you have hashtag Let's Dehydrate. Of course, you want to promote the playlist so others can join as well. You're supporting the playlist that's supporting you, right? So just let people know it's open and they're welcome to join, and to add the hashtag Let's Dehydrate in the description of the video. Title's yours. I used to need it in the title, but it's not needed to be done that way in order to find it with a search. And also, I'm old. I sometimes don't find these things because I forget. Just let me know. Just let me know. Hey, Peggy, Andy, we did a video for the hashtag Let's Dehydrate, and one of us will alert the other to get it in right away.
Yes, because she's old. Not me.
So I'm going to put these in at 160 in the Cabela, and I'll bring you back when they're done. You wait and see. Turning it on, we want the temperature set to 160. And I'm going to check it at 5 hours. I won't be done, but I'll check it. And we're off. Alright, so we're back. And it was 9.5 hours at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. I let them go cold for about, I don't know, 4 hours. And then I teased the dogs with them and everything, right? And then I brought them back in for another 40 minutes or so at 160 Fahrenheit, and they are done. Why I did that was just to condition them. Let them cool, come to room temperature to see if they still absorb moisture or if there is any moisture still in the product. And if not,
I can hear it snap.
Then you're good. So the girls already had a little sneak flavoring peek at these. I don't like to give them, they're just little babies, right? I don't like to give them too much. But I will show you at the end of the video. So because these were done with raw meat, especially chicken, I'm going to be soaking these for a little while in the sink with our Blue Dawn, which is antibacterial as well. And those are my silicone pads. Oh yeah, they're gonna love these. Now, if I was worried about these, these are still edible by people. You can rehydrate them with some boiling water and let them sit and use them in stir fries. A lot of packers, not packers, what do you call them? Hikers. They love to use these, and they smell so good. They really do.
Well, it's meat, yeah.
So they don't need...
I like the idea that you can rehydrate it if you want.
Oh, if you had to. Darn right. For sure. Oh, it smells so good. But no need for salt or sugar or garlic, which isn't good for them anyway. Or no flavorings are needed for the animals. They know what it is. Trust me, they go nuts. Our girls are having a nap right now, and when they wake, I'll slip the video. So don't forget, hashtag Let's Dehydrate. for your dehydrating needs. So remember, hashtag Let's Dehydrate for all your dehydration needs. It's a wonderful playlist with so many channels and so many ideas and how-tos. And we welcome you as a video creator to join us. And just put hashtag Let's Dehydrate in the description and let me know. And of course, pump the playlist that you're working on, right? They're supporting you too. So, do you think you'd like a piece of chicken? You don't like it that Mommy's got you like this from sleeping. What do you think? Would you like to have that? Oh, yes, you would. Now your sister's under the table. Don't forget the girls, guys, your little babies. Instead of that number 40 red dye, I'll let you down to enjoy it.
Sit there and try to chew it now.
Fully organic.
Dee Dee needs one.
Shelf stable, right? And they love it. Where are you? Come here, baby girl. Here you go. I'm sorry I won't
Here she goes.
Please remember to subscribe, thumbs up, which is the like, ring that bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
And comment below. We do love to see your comments, and we do get to them. And we'll see you tomorrow. So, Suki, are you enjoying that? Do you like dehydrated chicken strips? Are they good? Good girl. Good girl. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your treat. That's a happy dog.